You didn't answer my question. Why are you here?
For talk to you. What you think?
Only to talk?
This is ridiculous. So if I do something else? I'm supposed to come here to do something else?
I don't know. I'm about to be the star witness in our boss's court case.
And you feel like them send me for you. You serious?
Well, it's obvious you heard about it, and I didn't tell you.
Pearl, come open my bar and we could go inside and talk.
Who told you about it?
Pearl, listen to me.
Who told you about it?
Francis, when this I gonna stop? Like seriously.
You think me they want this? And my life them be after, you know. Me did have to do something, Marissa.
So I go on and tell him say, what him say?
I must say I want to chat to King. I want to get to Bodo up.
So, when last one you hear from King?
A long time, you know. Come like King have something I David.
So if him not get to King, I want next.
Nah, man. It is I get to King for him, man.
Alright, Mr. Teflon.
Annette, the house over 21 M20 I'm in there, you know.
But not coming over there, Garfield. You mix up in a one bag of something over there. Me not take no chance.
Alright, here we I have a place up a garden town where you can stay.
Alright, over my mother house. Till me start making enough money and rent something for myself.
Annette, you're difficult more well, no?
Me difficult? True, me now want my son grow on then.
You hear me? Do you want to? All this. Get some things for the youth.
So you plan for go war with the man them over 13.
I not say me have a war with them, but them have to get back to me.
So is what happened.
Them violate, so them have to fix it.
So if them not fix it, how what go happen? War?
And them call Peace Street, you know, and broke it.
So how you want with Vicious?
That are between me and Vicious.
Say ask me for link him, but me can't know what.
My girl, now you say don't have nothing to do with my business.
Me want know because I you said me for go link Vicious. Me want know.
Just calm down. Stay out of it, alright?
You know what? You're right. Me no want know. All me I beg you, just not carry a damn shit be if you come over here because me have to come to work.
So you feel like it's done business.
Garfield, please. It done in the street already. See you want run over valley.
I don't want to run nowhere. After me no track star.
Alright, Mr. Garfield. May I come go inside now.
Nettie, you see that link up here at Vicious? Keep it to yourself.
What say ya? Who you think me go tell?
You know, so you still link with the ages over 21, you know. And you have some new friend over your side.
Me no business with you and Vicious, you know. Just know say you have a son. So careful of the things that you're doing at the streets.
Big up yourself, here. You still look good.
Bubbles Corner.
I was expecting her. Whisper. Artonian.
Babe, just come open the bar and we could talk. Please?
Why can't we talk out here?
Babe, this is foolishness. So you really feel like me there for hurt you, Pearl? After all we've been through? Babe, please put to that. We could just go inside and talk. Please.
Marissa, trust me, I never want this happen.
You sound like a scratch record. Every time you tell me that.
Don't worry, me, I go fix things.
Look how much things you have to do. You have studio, a restaurant, a farm. You still find time for badness.
And a badness cause this.
How then?
Me just a defend me 3 point.
A badness causes. Don't fool yourself.
Boy, more me try to live that kind of life, yeah. Come like I'm more to follow me up.
Well, you not try hard enough.
What you mean? What you mean, Marissa? What you mean me not try hard enough?
If you want change, you have to go let go certain things and let go certain people.
What you say?
Yeah, you hear what I say? I'm a know you're not deaf.
What you say, Marissa? If you love up my friend them.
Friend them.
So when you gonna make me know?
Orlando, you frighten me, you know?
So all this time, Teflon are your baby father. And you not say nothing to me, my girl.
If me did tell you, you would give me the work.
Yo, serious joke that you're running.
And I like me and him there. Me and him not there again.
That no say. Me did for know that though. And everywhere my place governing.
So what? You and him not so gone in a business.
And not that me I talk about. And when you give me a phone and tell me say somebody want to talk to me, me realize you're him, you know. So I see him if the man did do me 3 points, you make him know where me there.
You mad? Him say I don't know where thing. A business we not talk about.
Me not like the style they do it here.
Then Orlando, you know meet with him already?
Yeah. When they did that take no check.
Lord God,
How where you run go?
what all of this about? I want you talk about.
Same thing we go on with the youth, them over film side from over 13 though.
So vicious. You know the youth them?
Mm-hmm. So far.